So today we are going to start the chapter 5 operations on large number. Okay, see the exercise 1. This is the first exercise 5a in which we have to add the given number. Already you know how to add the number. Okay, still we are doing. See, this is the question number 1. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay. Then 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 will be here and 1 will be carried. You know that. Okay. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1 16. Okay, 1 is again carried. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 9 will be here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 will become as usual and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the answer of addition. Okay, so we are doing the next. Again 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 is written here and 1 will be carried. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 will be here and 2 will be taken. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 3 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 is here. 1 will be carried. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 1 15 and 1 again will be carried and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so these are the sums. We will do one more sum. See, we did that 2 digits. Now here the 3 digit. We have to add 3. So 5 plus 3, the addition will remain same, only 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 will be here and 1 will be carried. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7. Okay. 6 plus 8 is 14 plus 1 15. Again 1 will be carried here. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 12. 1 is carried. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 will be carried. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 1 12. 1 will be carried. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13 plus 1 14. Again 1 is carried. Then 7 plus 7 14. 15 16 17. So last we have to write 17 together because no number to carry. Okay, so this is the addition. This addition you will do by your own. Okay, now we will do the subtraction. Copy and subtract. Check your answer with addition. So here we have to check the answer also. First we will subtract the number. So we cannot subtract 3 from 0. So we will take 1 from 8. Okay. So here is 7 and here will be 10. 10 minus 7. 3 is 7. Then we cannot subtract 9 from 7. Again we are borrowing from 3. So here is 2. Now we have to subtract 9 from 17. Will gives you 8. Okay. 17 minus 9 is 8. We cannot subtract again 2 from 5 from 2. We cannot take from here also. So we will move here. Okay. From 5 first taking 1. Then from 10 we will take 1 here. Here will be 9 and here is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So we are having this number. Okay, now we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. So this is the formula we have to add to get the subtrahend, difference and minuend. Minuend means the addition of the number. Difference means this is the difference. And subtrahend means the second number. Okay. And minuend means the number which we will get after adding this one. This is minuend by which we are subtracting the or minus the number. This is the difference and subtrahend means this number. So first we have to write the subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? It's 2 0 7 1 7 5 9 3. then difference 6232 620, sorry, 0, then 3, then 2, 7, 8, 7. Now we are adding to get minimum. Okay, so how to get the minimum? 7 plus 3 is 10, 0, 1 will be carried. Okay, this 17 plus 1, 18, 1 will be carried here. Then 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1, 13, again 1 will be carried. 7 plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10, 0, 1 is carried. 3, 4, 5, okay. Here is 0, 7 will come as usual, 2 will come as usual, and 8 also will come as usual. So let me check with that we will get the same numeral again. 82750380. See, 82750380. So we will get the minimum. It means the difference we have taken is correct. Okay. So see the next question here, already done. First we have to subtract. So here was 7, so it will be taken 1 from the next number. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. 11 minus 5 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 3 will be as usual. Okay. See the checking. You know we have to add these two numbers to get this minimum. So subtrahend, this is the subtrahend, this is the difference. When we will add, we got 400147907, which is that number. It means the subtraction done by us is correct. Okay. See the subtraction. This is easy. Again we will do the subtraction. We cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we will borrow. So it will be 10 here. 10 minus 5 is 5, and here is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Again we cannot subtract. Here is 1. Okay, so we will have to take from here. First we are taking this side, and from here will be 9, and here also will be 9. Then we can take here. Okay, 11 minus, and here should be 4. Then 11 minus 3 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Again we cannot subtract, so we are moving here. Here is 10, then here will be 14, here will be 9, and here is 8. Okay. Then 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1, and here will be 8. So this is the subtraction. Okay, so do this by your own. Now we are doing the question number 5. How much is 7 crore more than 5,78,000? We have to find how much 7 crore is more than. So how can we will able to find when we are subtracting the number? Okay. So first it is written 7 crore, and we have to subtract 5,78,000. So first this 30 will come as usual. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. Here is 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 9 minus 9, there is no number. 9 will come as usual, and 6 also will come as usual. You know how to subtract. Okay, when the number is bigger here, so we have to borrow. Okay. So when the question is asking how much this is bigger than the another number, so we have to subtract and get the thing. So here, see, what must be added to 70,62,369 to make it equal to 80 lakh. Okay. What the question is asking, what has to be added to this number to get the 80 lakh? Or suppose I am giving one example, what has to be added with this 5 to get 9? So when we will subtract 9 minus 5, we will get 4. It means 9 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. Here also we are doing the same subtraction. It is written 80 lakh and subtracting this 70 lakh 62,369. So we have borrowed from here to this, then from here everywhere will be 10, so that when we are taking, so it will be 10 here, and rest of the places will be 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9, okay, and 7 minus 7 gives you nothing. So it is 9,37,630. 1 must be added to get this number, okay. Now this is a multiple operations. First we have to add these two numbers, then after we have to subtract the last one. So we did in two steps. First we are writing the number. See, this is the addition, because the addition sign is given between the numbers. 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 is carried. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 13, then 1 will be carried. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 13, then again 1 will be carried. 6 plus 5 11 plus 1 12. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Okay. Then 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 1 16, 1 is carried. 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 1 18, and 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Now we will subtract from, see, from first we have to add, then subtract. So this is addition. So we are going to subtract this last number from this addition. So number is written here. Here is 5. We cannot subtract 9 from this 5. So we will borrow from 3. It will be 15. Here is 2. 15 minus 9 is 6. Now 12 minus 9 is 3, you know. Again here is 2, because it is taken borrowed from here. Then we are taking from this 2. It will be 12 minus 9 is 3. Again we have to take from this 3. Here will be 2, and here is 11 minus 6 is 5. Then 12 minus it is 4. Here is 15, because it is taken 1 from this side. So 15 minus 9 is 6. Then 17 minus 9 is 8, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So it is 6,45,330. 6 is the answer. Okay. So we are going to do the one word problem. Neha bought a fully furnished penthouse for 8,75,000 rupees. Okay. If the cost of the furnishing alone was 11,78,970 rupees, find the cost of house. See, this is the total of furnished and the penthouse cost. Okay, so when we will take this furnishing amount from this total amount, so we will get the cost of house. Okay, so here it is done. Neha bought a penthouse rupees 8,75,000. Here cost of furnishing is 11,78,970. So cost of house we are going to take. So just subtract to get the house of cost of house. Okay. So 0 minus 0 will give you 0. So here is 0 and here is 7. So we have to borrow from 5. 5 to here, then here to here. Here will be 9. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, then we will take from here. 14 minus 8 is 6, then 16 minus 7 is 9, and 9 minus 1 is 8, and 9 minus again 1 is 8, and 7 will come as usual. Okay, so 7 crore 88 lakh 96,030 is the cost of house. Okay, I hope you will understand.